Youthfulness has been a universal source of attraction across cultures since early mankind. The fascination with agelessness in the modern day can be easily seen in none other than the glamour and glitz of the entertainment industry. Celebrities have demonstrated that the aging process can be slowed down. Their secret: frequenting the famous Rejuvenation clinics in Europe. Here, specialists are famous for its youth restoration through revitalization and regeneration techniques of cell therapy. Through injectables, these treatments have allowed the rich and famous to maintain active and youthful lifestyles. Rejuvenation of cells within the human body slows down significantly as we age. Add on the ever-increasing environmental pollution, stresses, and social ills. Cell renewal is further diminished, resulting in premature aging and chronic degenerative diseases. MF3 offers cell therapy supplement in convenient and easy-to-consume soft gels induce cell regenerative functions. Now, for the first time in 80 years, cell therapy has become available to the public in high-tech soft gels, making it possible to receive the incredible benefits without leaving your home. In addition, the anteric-coated soft gel with anti-reflux technology is a revolutionary dosage form that combines a delayed release with good aesthetic appeal. It releases its compounds in the small intestine instead of the acidic environment of the stomach. MF3 Cell Therapy Supplement aims to awaken dormant cells within the human body, thereby stimulating the growth and function of existing tissue and repairing or regenerating old and malfunctioning cells. It offers what vitamins, minerals, and other conventional treatments cannot. It can provide the exact components necessary for injured or diseased tissue to heal and regenerate. With over 20 years of biotechnology in research and development, MF3 has epitomized its latest cellular therapy, Placenta Extract Soft Gel Advanced Formula. MF3 is currently the only Swiss placenta extract in unrivaled high-tech soft gel form, with its advanced formula consisting potent bioactive ship cell extracts and DNA cellular extracts. MF3 PE is from ship placenta obtained from stringently selected and certified closed colony healthy ship of 40 generations, which are reared in pollution-free pastureland. Ovine placenta extract proteins are particularly compatible with the human body and trigger no immune reactions. MF3 proprietary coal extraction silaxinase proteolytic enzyme was specially developed to extract the placenta in its purest form while maintaining its concentrated bioactive states. MF3 PE is not a drug as it contains no chemicals but only natural ingredients of its highest quality. After consumption of MF3 PE, one can feel the following: rejuvenate and regenerate, finer skin texture, more even and radiant skin tone and firmer body, increase of stamina and energy level, improve blood circulation and deeper and better sleep, improve in immunity system against disease, anti-aging properties, repair cells, tissues and organ, and better flexibility of joints. MF3 PE Softgels Advanced Formula is also enhanced with 3 main active ingredients and 6 other anti-aging elements. Highly polymerized marine DNA cellular extracts for nerve calming, enhanced physical performance and mental alertness. Collagen elastin HME for skin firming and thickened dermis to engender youthful skin appearance. MF3 PE Softgels Advanced Formula underwent stringent quality and health control standards. Scientific studies concluded that placental extract contains high level of special proteins which promote cell growth, regulate hormone secretion, strengthen the body's immune system. Proven through double-blinded placebo-controlled clinical studies at the Skin Testing Institute in Neuchâtel of Switzerland, PE Advanced Formula is an assurance of safety, quality and efficacy to consumers with the ability to enhance and invigorate our bodies with a wide range of health benefits. MF3 Placental Extract gives you not only beautiful skin with vibrant vitality, but also a regenerated younger and healthier you.